All right, so we're doing a tiny hand challenge featuring the Jaclyn Hill palette. Here we go. Let's get back to the video. The first thing you always have to do, otherwise your makeup literally will not look okay, is you have to put on the Pore Minimizer by Benefit. You're gonna wanna do foundation. I use Lancome. Put a dab into your hand and then smear it together and then just apply. It doesn't have to be perfect. So just smear it around. Your Morphe sponge and dab it into your Cover FX baking powder. Just bake until you look like you've lost 45 pounds. But don't forget, you can't look skinny unless you contour. And since we already cream contoured, you never want to forget to powder contour, because if you don't powder contour, then are you really even doing it? I don't know. We should go to blush, because you can't forget blush. But this isn't my blush brush because my cat stole it, so I have no idea where it is. This is the Jaclyn Hill JH07 brush. The most important part of your makeup is the eyebrows. Once you learn how to levitate your eyebrow stick, you can become an expert on this part. Brow power. This isn't sponsored. And then you want to just apply like vigorously. You could just create new eyebrows, actually. I'm about to dab into this color. It's called, what's it called? What's it called? What's it say? This one.
Beam.
I'm about to dab into Beam right here. And I'm gonna put that onto my brow bone right here. Just take your fingers and just smear it in the palette. And then and that's honestly all you have to twerk. We're gonna twerk it. And we're just gonna twerk it in there. I think that looks good. And that's the look. Moving on to mascara. I think I look actually kind of good. You don't think so? I mean, with all things considered, we're gonna open the Bare lip gloss. I can't, baby, you know I can't open this. Actually, my husband's gonna open it.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Oh, jeez.
And if you have fillers, you definitely want to make sure to get more. You know what? We're done. This is the look.
No.
I hope you enjoyed. Follow me, subscribe. We're done. I think Jaclyn Hill would be actually pretty impressed that I used these hands. These hands are my home. These hands. Namaste.